Okay, now we're going to mix up some water. I always pour my water in first, and the reason I do that, if you pour your water in dry, and then you pour your water, you're going to end up having some of it caked around the corners. And it just works better if you put the water in first. And you want this about the consistency of pancake batter. And it's real hard to mix up just a little bit, so it may take a We're going to use our drill mixer here. Just put in a bucket of water just to clean it off.